Hey, welcome back to our channel. Here we are going to learn about Docusign versus Pandadoc. Which one is better for e-signatures? Subscribe and let us explore together. Let us begin now. In today's digital era, e-signature solutions have become indispensable for businesses aiming to optimize operations, boost security, and increase efficiency. Among the leading e-signature platforms are Docusign and Pandadoc. Both are packed with robust features, but they cater to slightly different requirements and user preferences. This video will compare Docusign and Pandadoc in terms of client satisfaction, usability, integration capabilities, charge breakdown, and customer assistance to determine which is superior for e-signatures in 2024. Number 1. Client satisfaction. Docusign is well known for its intuitive interface and user friendliness. The platform's design is clean and straightforward, making it easy for users of all technical backgrounds to navigate. The onboarding process is seamless, featuring helpful guides and tutorials to assist newcomers. Pandadoc also shines in user experience, offering a modern and user-friendly interface. Its drag-and-drop document editor is particularly appreciated, simplifying the creation and customization of documents. Number 2. Usability. In terms of usability, both Docusign and Pandadoc offer comprehensive e-signature capabilities. Docusign enables users to sign, send, and manage documents securely from any device. It supports a wide variety of document formats and offers advanced authentication options, including SMS and biometric verification. Pandadoc, while equally proficient in e-signature usability, extends its capabilities by integrating document creation, workflow automation, and payment processing into one platform. This versatility makes it a valuable tool for businesses. Pandadoc's document editor is especially powerful, allowing users to create highly customized documents effortlessly. It also offers robust analytics, enabling businesses to track document performance and engagement. Number 3. Integration capabilities. DocuSign integrates seamlessly with a broad array of third-party applications, including popular CRM, ERP, and cloud storage solutions like Salesforce, Microsoft Dynamics, Google Drive, and Dropbox. This extensive integration network ensures that DocuSign can fit into virtually any business ecosystem. Pandadoc also boasts impressive integration capabilities, especially with CRM systems such as HubSpot, Salesforce, and Pipedrive. Additionally, it integrates with payment processors like Stripe and PayPal, allowing businesses to collect payments directly through their documents. Number 4. Charge breakdown. Pricing is often a crucial factor for businesses when choosing an e-signature solution. DocuSign offers several pricing tiers to cater to different business sizes and needs. Its plans range from a basic individual plan to advanced enterprise solutions. Although DocuSign's pricing is generally considered higher than some competitors, many users believe the extensive features and reliability justify the cost. Pandadoc, on the other hand, is often viewed as offering better value for money. Its pricing is competitive, with plans designed to accommodate both small businesses and larger enterprises. The inclusion of document automation and payment processing features in Pandadoc's pricing plans can provide significant cost savings for businesses that require these additional functionalities. 5. Customer assistance. Effective customer assistance is vital for any software solution. DocuSign provides a comprehensive support system, including 24/7 phone and email support, a rich knowledge base, and live chat options. Its customer service is generally well regarded, with prompt and helpful responses. Pandadoc also offers strong customer assistance, including live chat, email support, and a detailed help center. Additionally, Pandadoc provides dedicated account managers for its higher tier plans, ensuring personalized support for larger clients. However, some users have noted that response times can vary depending on the complexity of the issue. Choosing between DocuSign and Pandadoc ultimately depends on the business specific needs and priorities. DocuSign stands out with extensive integration options, advanced security features, and a user friendly interface that appeals to a broad audience. It is a reliable choice for businesses that prioritize a robust, tried and tested e signature solution. Pandadoc, however, offers a more comprehensive suite of tools that go beyond e signatures, making it an attractive option for businesses looking to streamline document creation, automation, and payment processes. In addition to obtaining signatures, its comprehensive pricing and versatile functionality make it particularly appealing to small and medium-sized businesses. And there you have it. Thanks for watching videos on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content and exploration. See you in the next video.